In manufacturing the base of the haematology analyzer, we have used 4-axis machining technology to present you with a simple and efficient manufacturing process. The product is made of POM material and machined by a combination of lathe and milling machine. However, during the initial 4-axis machining process, we found some difficulties in making the base of the haematology analyzer. The product needed to be machined at different angles, and each hole needed to be machined one by one. To overcome these challenges, we had to use an auxiliary fixture to adjust the vertical machining in the Z-axis direction. Such a manufacturing process was relatively tedious and required more time and effort. It was later discovered that with 5-axis machining technology, we were able to flexibly control the angle and position of the tool, thus enabling more machining angles while maintaining high precision. This innovative manufacturing method not only increased productivity, but also ensured product quality and accuracy. Our 5-axis machining of the haematology analyzer base demonstrates our technical prowess and craftsmanship in the manufacturing process. Continually optimizing our machining process, we are able to provide our customers with a better product that ensures manufacturing accuracy and consistency. We look forward to working with you to provide you with high-quality haematology analyzer bases to help the medical field grow together. If you have precision CNC machining and die casting parts for the semiconductor, medical, and optical field, please send the drawing inquiry to us for further evaluation.